In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a logo in Power BI. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so for this demonstration, I want to go ahead and put a logo on my work report here. So in order to do this, we need to go ahead and open up Power BI. Then from here, click on Insert. Now we need to look for the image button here. So click on Image. Now we've got the image here, but I don't want that here. So I'm just going to drag this up to the top here. I'm just going to resize it like so. Now I'm going to zoom in a bit and just center this screen. Now to format the image, come over to the right here. We've got format image. So go ahead and expand that. Now we've got style. We can click on the image. And now this is going to give us an option how we're going to upload or insert this image. So we've got image source. We can go ahead and upload the image, enter from URL or select from data. I'm going to upload an image. So I'm going to click on upload. Then I'm going to browse my image. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to come up here to my pictures, look for my logos here. I just want to put my tutorials logo here. Here it is here. So I want to insert that. Then from here, we can go ahead and make this smaller, larger, or however we want to see our image on our report.